Salve to Scipuli, this is McEaster Buddy, and I just wanted to touch base with you regarding how the next few weeks are going to play out in class. Of course, things may change, but this is something that I want to try. I would like to have brief synchronous meetings with you every day, Monday through Thursday. And how I would like to spend my time with you is reading, because that is the hardest thing that we do in class. We also need to get in the rest of our Emperor presentations. So this is an example of a class sign up. You will all have access to this document so you can sign up as you want. So I just want to run through it with you. Our class is scheduled to meet from 10:30 to 11:15 Monday through Thursday. Mondays and Wednesdays will start with 5 minutes of class announcements. So everyone's going to be here at the beginning of class, 10:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. And they'll listen to the Emperor presentations. So each of those days, Monday and Wednesday, will be followed with 10-minute Emperor presentations. So if you are still, if you still have your Emperor presentation to give, please make sure that it does not go over 10 minutes. After that will be followed by 15-minute blocks, small group readings, and you'll get to sign up with who you want to read. So for example, 10:45 to 11, these 5 people are reading together. 11 to 11:15, these 5 people are reading together. The color coding is because on Monday and Tuesday we're going to be reading the same material. So you only need to sign up for one of the reading groups in Monday or Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday we're going to be reading a different passage, either the second half of the same story or maybe a completely different story. So you need to sign up for one of the groups in Monday, Tuesday, and then another one of the groups Wednesday, Thursday. So this is the example. Oh, and also, so there are 21 people in our class. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 reading groups. So 3 of these will have 5 people. Only 1 will have 6. Again, only 3 reading groups should have 5 people. 1 will have 6. It is incredibly important that you show up on time. And then we finish right at the end time so that we don't run into the next group's reading time. So if you have any questions that go beyond what we're doing right then and there, you'll have to ask them outside of class during office hours. This is not time to talk about the class. There are other times that are more appropriate to do that. Okay, so here is the empty template for next week. So on Monday, April 6th at 10:30, everyone logs in. And by the way, this right here is a hyperlink to the Google Meet. This will not be embedded on Schoology. We've been having all kinds of problems with Schoology. At this point, I'm just going to try to avoid Schoology as much as possible. So just save this document, bookmark it somewhere. So the Google Meet, the link to Monday's Google Meet is right here embedded on where it says Monday and the date. All right, first 5 minutes will be class announcements. Emily and Grace will give their Emperor presentations. So I'll hand the screen over to them basically so they can be in control. And then you guys, please, by this coming Friday, so that would be April 3rd, sign up in your groups. So again, 5 people in 3 of these groups, 6 people in 1 of them. And then on Wednesday, everybody comes to the beginning of class at 10:30. We have 5 minutes of class announcements, the Emperor presentation by Myra and Angie, and then we will launch into our small groups. So again, put your name in one of these 4 reading groups, 5 in 3 of them, 6 in 1 of them. Notice that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have to stop class by 11. And again, this is a hard stop. I'm just going to have to cut you guys off, unfortunately. Any questions, you're just meet me during office hours. I've got 2 hours of office hours every day. But on Tuesdays and Thursdays, my Blake class starts at 11. So I absolutely have got to end our meeting at 11 and hop over to Blake and do that. I would really love to give you guys the opportunity to sign yourselves up in your own groups. However, if this ends up being a nuisance or if you guys abuse it at all, then I'll just decide the groups myself. So I don't want to see anyone deleting someone else's name. You can decide who's going to be in your group and have just one person log in and type all of those people's names in. However, if you, let's say one of you wants to come and sign up everybody in a group, but there's no open group for all of you to fit, do not delete someone's name in order to make room for your entire group. And if you guys aren't making wise choices in your groups, then I'll just go to deciding the groups myself. So I would rather let you guys make that decision. Just make sure that you are being mature and wise about how you are doing it. I want to scroll up here and make sure that I covered everything that I wanted to go over with you. It looks like I did. So, yeah. Let me know if you have any questions, email me, sign up for office hours. And again, have this first week. Don't worry about the weeks moving on, please. But let's do this first week and just see how it goes. Hopefully it goes smoothly and we can keep doing it this way as long as we are doing distance learning. Can't wait to see you all and read with you. Walete.